I'm Colin Miller with American Honda with our experiential marketing department, and we're here at Equip Expo debuting our all-new battery-powered push mower lineup as well as our new ZTR. Just to kind of give you a full rundown of our new lineup, everybody knows our gas-powered mowers for years and how well they performed and the quality you got from Honda. Well, this is basically underneath. These are the same mowers from the deck through the bagging mechanism, everything that, and the blades, that is all the same. These have an all-new power unit across the board. So starting off with our HRN model, so this is kind of the base model here. You've got, it's a 1.5 kilowatt motor, single battery bay, so it comes standard with an 8 amp hour battery, but you also can upgrade to a 12 amp hour battery, so easily swappable out if you need. So it's nice and easy to do that. This model has a steel deck. The propulsion on the HRN and HRX is a belt drive system. So the HRX is the next one. So this is the HRX BE version. So also a single battery bay, and it also comes with the 8 amp hour stock, but you can swap out to an optional 12. So with the batteries, the 8 amp hour is getting you about 30 minutes of mow time, plus or minus depending on your mowing conditions. The 12 amp hour battery, you're getting about 45 minutes. As you move on to the HRX line, the HRX BE version, you now get into a dual battery bay. So same quality from the deck that you know from the previous HRXs, so you're still getting the twin blade system that you did previously across all the line. So cut quality, reliability from the Honda standard is still the same. But now with the dual battery bay on this version, you can basically double your mow time. And that's actually the cutting time. So these HRX comes stock with one 12 amp hour battery. You can always add a second 12 amp hour battery or a second 8 amp hour battery. Next side deck across both HRXs, and moving from like hydrostatic transmission like we had previously, this is now its own electric transmission. So electric transmission on the HRX and then into the HRC, which is more of the commercial line. So you have a steel deck, everything's built much more rugged. The electric transmission is much higher grade. Same dual battery bay that we noticed on the previous HRX. And so it comes standard with one 12. You can always add another 8 or another 12, no problem. And you can run it with one battery. So if you just have one battery in it, runs no problem. Swap another one in. It'll basically drain one battery first, then move to the next battery. So there's no need to have both batteries in at the same time. We have the new Honda ZTR. So this is a little bit of a new realm for us, but we know our reputation of cut quality, our twin blade design, and a lot of that translates over into the new ZTR. So you basically have 3 individual motors here, all with twin blade setups on them, as well as a completely new system that we call the IOP system. So you'll notice on a traditional ZTR that when you adjust the seat, it's just the seat that moves forward. On this one, the actual controls move with it. So really designed to help make it easier for comfortability. We have a suspension system. So you've got a trailing arm link in the front as well as torsional dampers in these front wheels. So you've got a real big focus on the actual experience that the person mowing is doing. So they're getting a much more comfortable experience, allows them to, be better at the end of the day, do more work, be more efficient, something we're really proud of in this new design. So this is all battery powered as well, designed and to be built in North Carolina.